Friends, this is letter number 37. This is letter number 37. Letters to the editor, printed in newspaper The Economic Times. The Economics, ECO, ECONOMIC, ECONOMIC, Economic Times, New Delhi, Wednesday, 17 July 1996. 17 July 1996. Title is Review Alliance, REVIEW Alliance, ALLIANCE. TVR Shenoy, SHENOY oblique commas. Article, The Congress Gambit, GAMBIT, Gambit in UP. Gambit in UP, ET July 2. ET means Economic Times, July 2. Represents an in-depth INDEPTH analysis ANALYSIS on the political scenario SCENARIO in Uttar Pradesh with VIZ, the Congress BSP tie-up, Congress-BSP tie-up. The strange patch-up sets the stage for realliances in the coming assembly polls in UP, J&K and the Punjab. Strange are the ways of politicians and STRANGEST are the ways of Indian politicians. As Shenoy explains, Rao hopes to quell DISSIDENCE and Kansiram Kansiram hopes to finish Mulayam Singh Yadav as a result of this deal. Can I not be deducted DEDUCED from this that the alliance represents negativism? NEGATIVISM? A positive approach is required in any alliance. If at all it becomes INEVITAVLE to have one. Further, FURTHER, any alliance should not represent pure opportunism, OPPORTUNISM, because by doing so the parties concerned are dodging the voter, knowing well that the BSP is a purely casteist outfit, and its growing properly is a temporary phase, the Congress, being the MIG MIGHTIEST, MIGHTIEST, and the oldest of all the political parties, should have decided to reach the electorate, ELECTORATE, individually, INDIVIDUALLY. The Congress programs and policies which could not be properly conveyed to the people, thereby causing CAUSING a DEBACLE in the Lok Sabha elections, will EVENTUALLY reach the grassroots people, full stop, in the INTERIM, if it gets only 30 seats, and against 130 as ENVI SAGED in the alliance, ALLIANCE, it could still be a victory for its secular ideals, IDEALS. The national interest requires a reassessment, REASSESSEMENT of the ideal, of this DEAL, reassessment of this deal, DEAL. Mahesh Inder Sharma, Delhi, July 4. Mahesh Inder Sharma, writer Mahesh Inder Sharma, writer, station director, All India Radio, classical singer, All India Radio, writer Mahesh Inder Sharma, station director, classical singer. This is letter number 37. Title is Review Alliance, printed in the Economic Times newspaper, New Delhi, Wednesday, 17 July 1996. Waheguru, Waheguru.